Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. For the sector below, calculate the arc length and the area. So we've been given a sector with an angle of 48 degrees and a radius of 9 centimeters. The arc length is this distance here, and the area is the amount of space occupied by this shape. We're going to think of the sector as a piece of a much larger circle. So when we talk about the radius being 9 centimeters, that will be the radius of the whole circle from which this sector is taken. We're going to write down a rule for the arc length and a rule for the area, establish where those rules come from before using them to calculate the values we need. So the arc length is equal to pi times the diameter times theta over 360. And the area is equal to pi times the radius squared times theta over 360. Pi times diameter is the rule we use to find the circumference of a circle. Pi times radius squared is a rule we use to find the area of a circle. Theta is a Greek letter that we use in formulae and in calculations where there is an angle, and in this case theta will be 48 degrees. So let's go ahead and find the arc length, which is pi multiplied by the diameter. So if our radius is 9 centimeters, the diameter will be double that, so it's 18 multiplied by 48 over 360. And for our area, pi is multiplied by the radius squared. So if the radius is 9, 9 squared is 81. Multiplied by, again, 48, that's the angle, over 360. So we've now got two calculations which we can use our calculator to find the value of. So the arc length is pi times 18 times 48 divided by 360, and that gives us an answer of 7.54 centimeters. And for the area, pi times 81 multiplied by 48 divided by 360 gives us the answer 33.9 centimeters squared. And it's important to remember the squared in our units for area, because we could potentially, if we were doing an examination, lose marks for forgetting that. So it's an important element to remember. So our answers are 7.54 centimeters for the arc length and 33.9 centimeters squared for the area.